Hello everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst here at IronFX, bringing you the technical updates for the 26th of August. Today I would like to talk about Euro-Dollar ahead of the highly anticipated speech by Fed Chair Yellen at the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. I would also like to talk about WTI, which traded higher after it hit support at 46.60. So let's begin our treatment with Euro-Dollar. Euro-Dollar traded higher on Thursday, but the advance remained limited near the 113.05 resistance barrier. Given that on Wednesday the pair printed a lower low on the 4-hour chart, and given that there is still the possibility for a lower high, I keep the view that the short-term outlook remains cautiously negative. Today, Fed Chair Yellen speaks at the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, so any comments she makes to September being a realistic candidate for the Fed to hike rates could be the catalyst for the next bearish leg. A decisive dip below 112.70 is possible to open the way for our next support hurdle of 112.35. As for the bigger picture, as long as the pair is trading within the sideways range between 108 and 115, I would maintain my flat stance with regards to the longer term outlook. Now let's continue with WTI. WTI traded higher on Thursday, staying above the uptrend line taken from the low of the 3rd of August and breaking above the short-term downside resistance line drawn from the peak of the 19th of the month. In my view, this keeps the short-term outlook positive, and as a result I would expect a decisive break above 47.65 to initially aim for our next resistance of 48.30. Shifting my attention to our short-term oscillators, I see that the RSI just crossed above 50, while the MACD, although negative, has bottomed and just poked its nose above its trigger line. These indicators detect somewhat upside speed and corroborate my view that the price is possible to continue trading higher, at least for a while. Zooming out to the daily chart, I see that oil's recovery started on the 3rd of August after the price hit support slightly below the 50% retracement level of the 20th of January until the 9th of June uptrend. What is more, on the 12th of August, WTI broke above the psychological 45 zone. So all this make me believe that the medium-term outlook has turned back to the upside and enhance the case for the bulls to remain in the driver's seat for some time. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please rate the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.